I was tired of hearing about this exotic rice method that helps you lose weight, so I had to try it for myself. I couldn't quite wrap my head around how this exotic rice method could be effective, but my sister-in-law, who had been secretly following it for months, provided visible results that were hard to ignore, witnessing the noticeable transformation in her figure, particularly the significant reduction in her beer belly. A long-standing concern since I first met her brother in 1999. Piqued my interest. Although she shared the link with me earlier, urging me to watch it at home, I initially dismissed it without even clicking. However, my husband took the plunge, and after just 5 weeks he was fitting into clothes that had long been too snug. Meanwhile, I found myself stuck in the 180-200 pound range. As usual, intrigued by my husband's success, I decided to explore the exotic rice method. To my amazement, I went from 140 pounds to, and I'm genuinely surprised at the positive impact it had on my weight loss journey. I left the same link in the description of this video below to help you guys out on your journey too. Make sure that you don't miss out.